guys, I'm back again. And before we start this video, I just want to remind y'all to enter my giveaway. We are so friggin' close. We're only 10 subscribers away, guys. So make sure to check out my giveaway video. After that, a next giveaway will start, a bigger giveaway. I need to reach 600 subscribers and I'm shipping that out. So make sure to check it out. Okay, and for today, we are going to unbox the brand new Goodiebox. It's been sitting here for about a week. not completely a week, but for about a week. I think on Monday, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, on Monday, the mailman came over, I wasn't home, and he dropped this off in the middle of freaking nowhere where I never ever picked up a package, and he did not leave me a message, you know, at home, so I didn't know for a couple of days that this box was waiting for me. And I've also noticed that the Goodiebox already, how can I say this? They put on a picture on Instagram showing everything inside of this box. So that kind of sucks because the surprise element is now gone. I don't know why they shipped out the boxes, and this week the boxes came in, and this week already they post a picture. Like, I'm sorry, that's in my opinion a little bit too early. I wasn't the only one complaining about that. This month's box is Energize. I'm gonna be honest and say this whole we have again to people pleasing, from people pleasing to more your selfishness. This whole me time, me vibe that the Goodiebox is on, I'm not really digging. I'm just gonna be honest. This is from Naked, a 15% coupon code. And do you have to spend a certain amount? No, it doesn't say so. So if you want to use this, or here's the code, make sure to get a screenshot of that. Hopefully, I'm not really sure if the camera's picking up the code or not. I hope it is, but make a screenshot of that. Sorry, my hands are shaky. The code is NAKDGOODIE, which means Naked Goodie. So if you want to use it, use it. I won't be using it. You know what? I'm going to throw it on the floor. Okay, we have pink paper in here, and then we're going to rip this fella to shreds. This is the inside of this month's box. Okay, let's just start off with the biggest mother load of all, which is this fella. This is from Human Plus Kind, Skincare with a Conscience. This is a body souffle. Okay, it's vegan and cruelty-free. This is what that sucker looks like. Is it sealed or no? No, it's not sealed, so... Ooh, it smells pretty good. Wait. There's a smell in here that's pretty strong, but I can't place it, obviously. Human Plus Kind is the body souffle is a full size, and the worth is €16.45. Okay, moving on to, what's this? From Nire, I'm not really sure how to pronounce this brand. Face Prep Tool. The Nire Face Prep Tool is the ideal cleansing partner. Gently exfoliating the face, it removes impurities, creating the perfect base for face masks and makeup. Okay, but I'm not going to get it out of here because I personally use the Philips Visipure thing. I already have like a brush. I have multiple different brushes to clean my face with, so I won't be using this. I will show you guys. This is the back of the product where it says Nire, whatever, and this is the front, and hopefully the camera will pick up the little bristles. I'm not really sure if it will. But clearly a full size, and the worth is €5, and I will be putting this in a giveaway along the way. I actually put in more stuff in the giveaway that I'm holding right now, so that's why I said make sure to check it out, because I placed more stuff in there, and this, I wanted to place this in there as well, but I just now realized that it is so full. There is no way I'm going to be able to place this in there, so maybe in the next giveaway. Okay, let's move on to, seriously, we just received this moisturizer like last month. I think, don't hit me with a rock, I think it was either the Belux box or the Look Fantastic box. I think it was the Look Fantastic. But this is the Moisturizing Serum from E-Cooking. It's fragrance free, and I literally just emptied mine out, and I actually don't have a backup serum. So, you know, I'm going to use this one again. I'm not going to get too long about it. This is not a full size for 20 milliliters, and this is 10. So this is half of the full size. The E-Cooking Moisturizing Serum, full size is 53 euros and 30 cents. So this is half of that. Okay, we're gonna move on to, what's this? James Reid Gradual Tan Drops. Hey, we already have these suckers, and I actually gave this to my boyfriend, and it worked pretty decently, I have to say. I could tell when he used this on his face that clearly his face was very, very dark. So I knew he was using it. Yeah, those are pretty much the exact same ones that we already had. I'm going to pass this along to my boyfriend as well, as I don't want him to tan like the UV rays or from the sun. I just much rather he self-tan because it's way safer. So the James Reid H2O Tan Drops for your face. 30 milliliters is a full size, and again, this is half. So the worth is $39.95, basically 40 bucks, and this little sucker is worth 20. Okay, we've got 2 more items in here. Box is on the floor and it's empty. Okay, let's start off with the big sheet, shall we? This is from Vidamasks. It's the Crystal Glow Hydrogel Eye Mask, all-in-one rescue, made with crystal extract, antioxidants, multi-peptides, and multivitamins. So this is what that little sucker looks like. I'm very excited to give it a try. It's a full size, clearly, and the Vidamasks Crystal Glow Hydrogel Eye Mask. The worth is 10 euros and 50 cents. Okay guys, down to the very last item, which is from Mana Kadar Lippy Love Lip Scrub. Oh, that is great. Okay, I'm gonna get it out of the little seal package. Where can I rip this sucker apart? It doesn't say. It actually doesn't have the little, you know, place where I can rip this sucker to shreds. So we're gonna do it the violent way. Oh, there we go. Okay, that's 1. And that is 2. Oh my god, it's sticking to my pants. Don't stick to my pants because I need to leave the house. Okay, this is what, ooh, okay. This is what it looks like. Very, very cool. See, there we go. It's from Mana Kadar. Like I said, it's a lip scrub, and I'm not going to use it now because clearly I have lipstick and makeup on the face. But let's check out the booklet. It's a full size, and the Mana Kadar Lippy Love Lip Scrub is worth 22 euros. Okay guys, that is it. The box is empty. What do I think? Honestly, it's a good, solid box. I don't think it's a wow box, but it's a good box. The only thing I'm not going to use from this sucker is the Naire sponge face scrubber whatever thing, just because I already have, like I said, the Philips Visipure machine thing that cleanses my face, so I don't need this particular one. Once again, don't forget to enter my giveaway. Make sure to check it out. I'd like to thank y'all so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!